everyone, myself Mehrunisha, and today's my topic is non-equilibrium processes. So, what has been said above refers to equilibrium system in which the entropy is at maximum. Living systems are non-equilibrium systems. We shall now turn to non-equilibrium systems and processes. Let us consider a system consisting of two subsystems, say as a gas whose volume is divided into two parts. We assume that the distribution of possibilities are pressure initial and pressure initial dash are specifying both systems. The corresponding entropies are given by summation and second as before we have one, and the total energy is assumed to be constant, that is equal to E. The entropy is additive. We have this equation. That is equal to this. And in a non-equilibrium system, all its characteristics, including the entropy, depend on time t. When two subsystems which have, say, different temperatures are in contact with each other, a transfer of some physical quantity like energy occurs between them. As a result of this transfer, the probability of distribution is changed. We have this equation according to that. Let's get silent. The change of entropy with time is expressed by the product of generalized energy flux, that is J is equal to delta E divided by time, by the generalized force defined as x 1 by time is equal to minus 1 by time. In the above derivation, we have assumed that the entropy outside equilibrium depends on the some variables as it does not in equilibrium formula. Is a similar to formula. Without delving into subtitle physical problems, we note that this assumption is proved by the nearness to the processes under consideration to equilibrium. If the system is characterized by many extensive variables such as energy, the change of entropy with time is represented by sum of product of generalized forces and generalized fluxes, that is differentiation ds by dt is equal to epsilon time t, and the entropy change in an open system is made up of entropy production inside the system and the entropy flows. The exchange of energy between the system and outside system is given by ds is equal to dis plus this. According to second law of thermodynamics, the sign of des has not been determined. In the case under consideration, that is d is equal to 0, the system has a hole closed, and where ds is equal to di, the entropy is produced due to the heat exchange between the two subsystems, as a result of which is thermal equilibrium will sooner or later to set up in the system. Hence, the forces and the fluxes are referred to on a unit volume. What generalized fluxes and generalized force have we deal to with in case of biological or open system cells and organisms? We treat these systems as a chemical system that are at constant temperature. They undergo chemical reactions and transport of matter occurs in them. For a chemical reaction, the role of flux is played by reaction rate, that is V. The derivative of reaction coordinate with respect to time. Thank you.